Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear income method for the calculation of national income. As we know that national income is the sum total of all the factor income earned by the normal residents in a country during in an accounting year, including net factor income from abroad. So let us clear which are the components of national income. There are three components of national income. Number one, compensation of employees. Compensation of employees means wages which the employer rendered to the employee for their services. So compensation of employees includes number one, wages and salaries in cash. Number two, wages and salaries in kind. In kind means, suppose that employer is providing you free accommodation, free medical facilities, free traveling allowances, any type of subsidized food, free education. So such type of facilities, free electricity, if employer is providing such type of facilities to you, that would be a part of wages and salaries in kind. Then next, employer's contribution. Employer's contribution to social security schemes. Which are these social security schemes? Any compensation made by the employer, only made by the employer, that would be taken into account. The compensation made by third party, that would not be considered as compensation of employees. Third party means, if suppose that a life insurance company is paying premium, paying compensation to any injured person, that would not be a part of compensation of employees. Employees contribution includes all type of allowances, either those are dearness allowances or traveling allowances, or any contribution made by the employer in provident fund, your casualty leaves, pension. Such type of contribution made by employer will be considered as a part of compensation of employees. One thing must note here, that only retirement pension will be taken into account. Old age pension, that would be part of transfer payment, will not be included in it. So these are the components of compensation of employee. If compensation of employees is not given, then we sum up all these components and we get compensation of employees. Second component is operating surplus. Operating surplus. Operating surplus means income from property or entrepreneurship. There are four components of operating surplus. Number one, rent. Number two, royalty. Number three, interest. Number four, profit. If profit is given, then well and good. But if profit is not given, then there are three components of profit. Number one, corporate tax. Number two, corporate savings, which is also known as undistributed profit. And last one is dividend. Dividend is that part of profit which is distributed among the shareholders. So dividend means distributed profit. So if profit is not given, then sum up all these three types of components of profit, you can get profit from it. And third component of income method is mixed income of self-employed persons. The persons which are not be taken into account in compensation of employees, those are not a part of compensation of employees, or those are not a part of operating surplus, those are known as mixed income of self-employed persons. Suppose that all the professionals, the small traders, the small businessmen are included in mixed income. So by sum up all these values, when we sum up compensation of employees plus mixed income plus operating surplus plus mixed income, that would be equivalent to domestic income. Or domestic income means net domestic product at factor cost. And if we want to calculate national income is equal to domestic income plus net factor income from abroad. So in this way we can calculate income method. So do subscribe my channel for numericals related to income method. Thanks.